And if you look carefully, you can see, let me push it up against, there's bubbles that are being created. Those bubbles are the same bubbles that we just made in our other experiment. Water, just a little water, yellow food coloring, yellow water. This could be mistaken for urine. This could be mistaken for apple juice. That's why we don't eat or drink in science. Now, next, what we do is just a direct pour of our liquid into our bag. But it's very important. Our next step, you got to have them cat-like reflexes. So what we're gonna do is take this, pour it in, and seal it really fast. Oh, my eyeball can't see. It's like I can't see, bro. I can't see. All right, can you see? You can see. Can you see? All right, here we go. Water, cat-like reflexes. 1, 2, and 3. Boom, 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 boom. That right there. That's not cat-like, but you get me. Usually, you have somebody helping you, but I don't. But look at that. It's a nice little rainbow, and you can tell a little drip action. You can tell I punctured our bag, but it's still getting some type of expansion. You can see the bubbles that are being created. It doesn't look very good as a color because we mixed a lot of different colors together. That's why you should never mix a lot of flavors in your slushy, because it's going to turn out looking black. Too many colors, you're basically making black. Black is every color. Again, black is every color. Take a paper towel, get a marker, a black marker, make a dot in the middle of that paper towel, real dark. Don't break the paper towel, obviously, or tear it. Take a drop of water and just drop that water on that dot. Make sure the water touches the whole dot, and then just let it spread out, and you'll see all the colors of the rainbow. All right, this is done. Well, maybe we didn't have a hole because it's still expanding. See, we got a little width, because this should be flat as a pancake. But you can see the gas expanded, and boom. So this is called an endothermic reaction. Endothermic. A lot of times we relate this to those who have gotten sprained ankles or some type of injury dealing with sports or just period on a playground. You have those, what do you call them? Come to me. I feel you, it's just coming to me. Ice pack. Duh. Ice packs to help out your injury. You have that really hard ball of liquid in that bag of what feels like rocks. So you have to bust that liquid inside so that it reacts with the other chemicals. This is a chemical reaction, and that's an endothermic reaction because the temperature decreases. So if you feel the liquid, it gets really cold. Those reactions, especially for those with injuries, what it does is remove the heat from its surroundings. So, for instance, if you got an injury, it's removing and taking the heat out of your inflamed injury. Boom. Inflamed. I meant to say inflamed. Back in full effect. Now, this reaction is our Diet Coke with Mentos. Very fun reaction. But first, let's talk about how it all works. So this diet soda or Coke has different types of chemicals in it, and it's important that you read those chemicals on the label so that you know exactly what's going in your body. Same thing with these Mentos. This is actually a physical reaction. A lot of folks think that this is a chemical reaction, but when you're doing with chemical reactions, you have two different beginning and ending products. So we're starting with Coca-Cola, Diet Coca-Cola, and we're ending with Diet Coca-Cola and Mentos. All we're doing is releasing the gas molecules that's inside of here. So this is carbonated. Carbonated meaning that there's carbon dioxide gas, same gas that we breathe out every day, inside of here. And the sugars that's also in here is also trapped and wrapped around those carbon dioxide gas molecules. So what we want to do with this reaction is use our Mentos to have this liquid crevice, if you would.